Hello, I'm Lorraine Turnbull and today I'm going to talk about budding apple trees. Now this is a Bramley and I am going to take some budwood from this. So I'm looking for this year's growth. So I've decided on this piece here and I'm going to take this off at the bottom with a pair of sharp secateurs. So I'm going to take it off where it connects with the old wood. That's it. So there we go, a nice piece. And then I'm going to take it to the table and I'm going to show you how to prepare it. Good. So this is Bramley. I've already got my label sorted because memory is a terrible thing. And I've got my grafting tape and I have my grafting knife and I have my budwood. So what I'm going to do is show you how to prepare a bud to graft onto my potted rootstock. Now you can also do this with rootstock that is growing in the ground, but I'm moving house and I'm taking these with me. So these are my scions that I took 2 years ago and they are ready for me to bud onto the rootstock about 6 inches off the ground. So I'll prepare one now and then I'll show you what happens next. Sorry to interrupt your video and I'll let you get back to it right away, but I just want to ask you, if you're enjoying this, could you please like the video and would you mind subscribing to my channel? We're trying to monetize the channel that will give me more time to spend in the orchard. Not that I really need an excuse, but that lets me make more videos for you. So hit that button, please. Right, so I've taken off a couple of leaves here so I can show you what I'm doing. And with my sharp knife, I am going to take a bud. So I'm going about an inch above. And it's very difficult. This is why you need a sharp knife. And it should come away like that. And the green cambium layer is going to be attached into the rootstock. And I'm leaving half the leaf on because I can hold it like that, and also because it stops me from damaging the little bud that is just in the leaf axil there. So the next part I'm going to do is attach it to the rootstock. So I just want to look at this budwood again. So I'm taking this bud from as near to the bottom with a nice piece of stem like that is full of the hormones that is needed to graft this onto what will be the parent tree. This is the rootstock that I'm going to attach my bud. Okay, and I'm taking it about 6 inches up. It's a nice straight bit, there's nothing in the way. And what I do is I make 2 slits. So I'm making 1 slit. Oop! Okay, that's quite a big slit. But it's fine. And you can see the cambium layer there. And I'm going to attach into this little slit this piece of wood. And look at that, perfect fit. So I've got a bit of an overhang with that bit, the flap. I take that off. That is absolutely perfect. And see how I'm holding the leaf? Insert that into the wee gap. Look at that, made for TV. And then I'm taping with my grafting tape because I want to tightly attach the graft, the budwood, to what will become the new tree. And I'm wrapping. And remember, you can do this in the ground. Go away, bee.
I think it's a bee.
And I'm covering that so that the wound will be airtight. Tightly, tightly, tightly. Over there. We're getting attacked by the bees who are coming to do them nosy. Right, perfect. And then tie it off like so. And that is it. Ta-da. Now, I'll know if this is taken in about 8 weeks' time. And if it does, then I will remove from here on.